So we're going to go into basically how to email market to these different categories. I'm going to show you some examples of what is working and essentially how to do this correctly. So we're going to talk about the category first, your leads. All right. Now, if you have a list of leads, again, these are all people who maybe came into your gym, they tried a free session, they didn't join, maybe they were in your gym a year ago, whatever it might be. So you have their name, their phone number, their email address. If not, you have just a bunch of waivers. Take all those waivers and add them to a list, all right? And if you create inside your CRM, you have the ability to create these separate lists. And basically the goal right now for any of our leads is to get them to sign up and pay for a new program with you, or to pay for one of your online programs, with the hopes of you develop a relationship with them, you help them, and then when the gyms reopen, you can get them into those regular programs. Or if they love your online program, they might possibly want to stay there. So I'm going to take you through a quick example of some email marketing that you can do to gain some leads into your gym, into these programs. So there's about 4 or 5 emails here that we're going to go through. So the first thing you want to do when you announce a new program is you want to explain your new coaching program. Type it all out, get a nice little photo for it, brand the program package, come up with a name for the program. This could be your at-home Corona, Get Fit program. Whatever you want to brand it, try and brand it something to do with your gym. If you have a good example for your gym, it can be, whatever you can think of. And then provide the price for the program. Explain exactly what they're going to get inside that program. You're going to get, 2 one-on-one goal setting calls. You're going to get nutritional guidance. You're going to get, the ability to attend our online workouts. You're going to get the ability to join our Facebook group. You're going to get a stretching class once a week, and you're also going to get put into our group program, our group game program. And then inside each of these emails, you always want to have a call to action. And a call to action can be to schedule a one-on-one Corona Fit consultation call. And essentially the call to action is just getting them on the phone with you. And then one-on-one, you have the ability to talk to them about their goals, just like you would do in-person sessions at your gym. You're going to follow the same format, just over the computer, over the phone. Talk to them about their goals, talk to them about their nutrition, explain the program that you have, explain the benefits of the program, explain the price, and then ask them if they want to go ahead and sign up for it. Now, they might not jump into that call to action right away. It might take a few more examples of some email marketing, and I'm going to show you this exact format here in real time. So email number 1 is just explaining the program, branding your package, and getting it out there. Then email number 2, 3, and 4 should essentially just be helpful emails. Are going to provide some sort of value to the end user. So the person receiving the email, a simple example is, an at-home workout you can do. And then 2 days later, send them another at-home workout you can do. And again, these are videos that you've made of you explaining the workout, explaining them how to do the form, giving them a warm up, and kind of going through exactly what they need to do to get fit from home. And then each of these emails, your 2 to 3 helpful emails that you send, can highlight one element of your coaching program. Maybe you can do an email on your at-home workout. You can do an email about some nutrition tips. You can do an email about some mindset tips. But then space those out maybe 2 to 3 days apart. So we have 1 email, and then we have 2 to 3 helpful value-added content emails. Our 4th email that we want to send to them is a call to action email. And this is just a very general call to action email. And again, I'm going to show you this. And this is just, hey, go ahead and schedule your Corona Fit consultation right now. Here's what you're going to get. Here's a button. Go ahead and click and sign up. And the 4th email that you want to send is what I call a plain text call to action. And I'll show you that email here, but it's very, very simple looking, very short, right to the point. All right, so let's go ahead and look at how you can leverage emails to your current leads. So quick example that we have. So this is the very first email. And if everybody can see my screen here, this is a general announcement of your new program and what people are getting. All right, and this is specifically being sent to your leads. Now there's tons of content you can change in this for active and cancel, which we'll get into in a little bit. So let your imagination kind of lead you here. Now, again, we just have a general information about what they're getting. Couch to CrossFit program, they get live online classes, limited equipment required, they get a nutritional guidance, they get goal setting one-on-one. Again, this is all very general. All right, and then we list out in bullet points exactly what's included. We've put a little scarcity inside the email as far as only 15 spots available, lock your spot in. And then we also have a button to schedule a free one-on-one at-home Corona Fit consultation. Now, obviously you can change the wording. I just kind of made this stuff up for the call here. But use what's going to suit your gym. All right, so this is the first email. Send it 2 or 3 days later. you use the CRM, you can schedule all of these things to send automatically. So the next email, we're going to just some helpful content. We're not really asking for much in this email. We're just giving them value. And one thing, this email just says, it's a difficult time for all of us, speaking on the coronavirus fact that, we're all in this world together, and that we want to do everything, our gym wants to do everything to keep you healthy, keep you active, keep your immune system strong. And, it's just you giving them an at-home workout that they can do right here in their email, along with a little call to action where they can schedule your Corona Fit consultation. Again, film the video on YouTube, just take a screenshot of it, and you can upload the screenshot right into any CRM. And then a little PS here at the bottom. It's like, hey, if you liked our workout, then you'd be a perfect fit for our Corona at-home health challenge. It's a 6-week course, teach you the basics of CrossFit, health and wellness, and the long-term commitments. And then they can click here to schedule a call with you. And again, get them on the phone, explain the program to them, talk about their goals, and then get them to sign up for the program just as you would inside your gym. So again, moving forward, another content email. One rule that I like to do is about 3 content emails and then 1 call to action. So kind of a 3-1 ratio. So give, call to action email, give. So again, just another example. Here's another at-home example. This could be 2 or 3 days later. Hey, hopefully you like the workout I just sent you. Here's another workout you can do at home. Grab your kids, grab your husband, and do these together as a family. Again, if you're interested in doing our at-home challenge or scheduling your Corona Fit consultation, go ahead and click here, get scheduled. Boom, boom. All right, one more. Again, another content email here. Just overcoming the objections that you often hear around why people can't start CrossFit. CrossFit's too hard. I can't do that. So we just overcome the objections that they might have about doing some sort of fitness program. And we talk about how CrossFit workouts can be adapted for any person at any age and any fitness level. Don't believe us? Check out the video below. And then inside this video, again, you're going over a warm-up. You're going over a workout, you're going over scaling options, and then you're taking them through the workout shortly. You don't have to, obviously, since the video, you're not staying on it the whole time with them. You're just giving them everything they need to do to be able to do the workout at home. And then a little cool down at the end. Again, a call to action here. So far, they've received 4 emails. The 5th email, this is a general call to action. All right, a general call to action email looks like this. And again, this sends after sending those other 4 emails or the first couple helpful value emails, and it's just asking them to take some sort of action. Would you be interested in claiming a complimentary Corona Fit consultation? Click here. What's included in the consultation? You get, fitness and mobility, goal planning, nutrition advice, detailed overview of our at-home Corona Fit program. Click here, and also a button to click here. And what I recommend doing is taking these buttons and linking them to your Calendly software or your schedule booking software. That way people can click on that link, and then it opens this page for them directly on their phones or computer, and they can schedule a time with you directly from here. Then you can block out times that you want to accept appointments and when you don't want to accept them. That way you're not running around all day being on the phone every hour, every other hour. You can say, the first 4 hours of the morning I'll take calls, and then I'm done for the day. That's what we recommend, to link these two. That way you aren't just answering the phone all day. But that is always a good problem to have. And then the last email that I spoke on, and this is what I called, it was email number 4. It's called a plain text call to action email. And it looks like this, all right? And this is kind of, if people aren't responding to those other emails, or they maybe haven't booked their call, your response rate with an email like this is through the roof. You'll have possibly a 50 to 60% response rate, depending on how engaged you are with your list and if you're frequently speaking to them. And it looks like this, just, hey, first name, and just puts their name right there. Just wanted to check in with you. Wanted to do everything I can to help keep people healthy right now. Would you be interested in scheduling a free Corona Fit or at-home wellness consultation? Please let me know, and you just sign your name. That's it. Short, brief, right to the point. And the idea of this email is that it's short, simple, and it's expecting a reply. When people get this in their inbox, they feel obligated to respond to it. And that's why these response rates are so high. And people will sometimes email back and they'll say, yeah, that'd be awesome. I saw the last couple emails about it, would love to get started. Or they might respond back and be like, no, not right now, blah, blah, blah. But either way, you're engaging them in some sort of dialogue, and then you can have a conversation with them on an individual basis. So if you put somebody through that email series, or you put a list of leads through that email series, even if you have 50, 200, 300, 400 emails there, you're going to get really good response rates and get some activity around these new programs that you're offering.